Under the dim, soothing lights of the lecture hall, the well-known psychology professor at Harvard Medical School began to speak in a calm, rhythmic voice. Her words flowed like a gentle stream, each one carefully chosen to guide you into a deep state of relaxation. You felt your muscles loosen, your breath slow, and your mind quiet. The tension that had been your constant companion for so long seemed to dissolve like mist under the morning sun. With each word, the professor's voice drew you further into a serene, tranquil place where stress had no dominion. As you sank deeper into hypnosis, the professor's voice grew even softer, almost a whisper. Yet it resonated with profound clarity in your mind. She spoke of a garden, vibrant and lush, where every step you took was a step away from the burdens of your daily life. In this sanctuary, you found yourself surrounded by the scent of blooming flowers and the gentle rustle of leaves. The air was filled with the harmonious songs of birds, each note a reminder of the beauty in the world. You felt an overwhelming sense of peace and contentment, as if you were enveloped in a warm, comforting embrace. The professor's words then began to weave a new pattern into the fabric of your consciousness. She spoke of positivity and happiness, not as distant goals, but as intrinsic parts of your being. You felt a shift within you, a blossoming of joy that radiated from the core of your existence. The negativity that had once clouded your thoughts was replaced by a bright, unwavering sense of optimism. This transformation was not fleeting, it was a permanent change, etched into the very essence of who you are. The professor's voice assured you that from this moment forward, you would approach life with a positive mindset, finding joy in even the smallest moments. When you finally emerged from the hypnotic state, you felt a profound change within yourself. The stress that had once weighed you down was gone, replaced by a lightness of being and an inner glow of happiness. The world around you seemed brighter, colors more vibrant, and sounds more melodious. You carried with you a newfound sense of purpose, and an unshakable belief in the power of positivity. As you left the lecture hall, the professor's words echoed in your mind, a constant reminder that happiness was not a destination, but a journey you were now fully equipped to embrace with open arms and a joyful heart.